I'm Sharon Kere, Plastic Titana's ambassador. Do you tend to ask your question like, what do plastics do in our daily lives, or what fears does we have when we use plastics? Well, I thought of the same thing, and my biggest fear is that I fear that one day, each day that I sit and I have a plate of meal before me, I consume plastic. You're sitting there asking yourself, how am I consuming plastic? Of course, I'm not taking plastic for my food, but in the food that I am taking, I have micro or mini organisms of this plastic, and that's my biggest fear in this earth. So my hope in this, thank God we have this initiative here that has made us young youth here, mostly the scouts, and I am one of the ambassadors that have gotten the chance to be trained and equipped with the skills to be a Plastic Titana's ambassador. And yes, thank you to the Kenya Scouts Association for this platform. And again, change starts at the end of the day. Let's keep our planet safe, and let's keep our planet free from plastic.
Hi everyone, I'm Nital Wangombe. I'm a Plastic Titana ambassador. My greatest scare about plastic is that whatever is making us convenient will bury us alive without our knowledge. So I'm hopeful about this because we can spread our knowledge and help one another with coming up with innovations to reduce plastic waste, and at the same time find other convenience ways of not using plastic. Let's save the world today.
My name is Waweru from Nairobi, and I'm here at the Plastic Titana's workshop. Today we are looking at how we can retool our communities to reduce the impact of plastics on our ecosystem so that we can have a better tomorrow. My hopes are that through this type of interventions we can be able to retool the next generation of environmental stewards, ways through which we can be able to mitigate the pollutions that plastic causes, while producing new opportunities for young people to monetize the whole plastic value chain, and also to be more aware about their use habits as far as proliferating the use of plastics is concerned. It's a big scare for me, especially when I see the amount of damage that plastic is causing on our rivers. The amount of, you've heard of the discussions that plastic is choking our oceans, and also as we seek to regenerate our lands in the clamor for conservation, we see that plastics will pose a big challenge, especially when we are regenerating our lands through the different technologies and initiatives available. So yes, let's join hands at the community level through our faith-based groups, community-based organizations, NGOs, and even the scouts in your neighborhood, so that we can bring the much needed change through the Plastic Titana